dealing with the TWX Library DLL error in Localized Tablet, your Ink extension app? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. Let's look at the engineering steps I've prepared to fix it. While preparing the manual steps for TWX Library, check for an official tool to assist with background synchronization. This is the TWX Library, a specialized TWAIN extension library. It facilitates the unmanaged localized communication between localized specialized imaging, localized hardware, and the localized TWAIN localized data source manager. Understanding the file's role is a great start. Now let's look at replacing it. Since TWX Library DLL is a third-party dependency belonging to the Localized Tablet / Ink extension toolkit, performing a fresh installation of your host application, where you received the error, is the only way to ensure the library is correctly placed. When a standard software refresh isn't enough, we need to bypass the automated installers and look at manual system state resets. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered TWX library component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. Since that didn't resolve it, let's pivot to step 3 to address the root cause directly. If you need to pause the video to get your workspace ready, take your time. Since the restart failed to map the file path, we're going to manually point Windows to this specific database tool. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, type regsvr32, followed by your file name causing the error, then hit Enter. Why are we doing this? Well, manual registration is required to link the file to the Windows registry hive. Without this pointer, the application cannot bridge the connection to the library. As we finalize the restoration, it's important to observe standard security protocols regarding system files. Don't let a small error become a total system rebuild by trying to force install TWX Library DLL into directories where it doesn't belong. To ensure your environment stays properly configured, a professional diagnostic can help verify that your library references remain intact. For structured configuration management, the optimization software referenced below includes TWX library-related documentation. If you've regained access to TWX Library thanks to this guide, a like and a subscription really helps us continue producing these verified technical fixes.